Hi all. Yeah. So today we will be talking about the split concept. Okay. So it is nothing but the input file. Okay. So contains, okay, like for the sample I'm saying only 10 records. Okay. Uh, so this file contains only 10 records. So yeah, this file was created like 1 month before for some other purpose, but okay, so let us assume this is nothing but student roll number and this is the student mark and the file is not in sorted order, but according to the roll number, the file is in the sorted order, right? Yeah, it is in the sorted order. Yeah, according to the roll number, it is in the sorted order, but the marks, it is not in the sorted order, right? So we will go with the roll number. So because this is the key field, mark is not a key field here because this is unique and this contains unique value and there are no duplicate value in the key field, right? Okay, so what is split JCL? Okay, so how can we achieve this split JCL concept is nothing but, so we have a powerful IBM utility called DFSORT. So using this DFSORT, so we can achieve this. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I will explain about the DFSORT here itself. Okay, uh, okay, DFSORT. So DFSORT is nothing but um, IBM mainframe utility. Okay, uh, used for many sort operations for the files. Yeah, especially for the sequential files. Okay, so especially we should go for the sequential file. So vsam, okay, so that is something different. Okay, so we are talking about the sequential file, which is nothing but ps file, physical sequential files. Okay, the syntax for the sort fields. Okay, so here I have already coded, right? So this is the syntax for the sort fields. Okay, starting position means starting position of your column. So this starts at the 0th position, and the length, okay, the length is nothing but 4 bytes of data. So this is nothing but alphanumeric, so we can say this is also a character. Okay, um, okay, so data format. So for the data format, so we have zone decimal. Okay, for the numeric data, and we have character for the alphabetic or alphabetic data, and we have some other type as well, like so bi or binary. Okay, and hexadecimal also we have, but we will see that later. So but mostly, so we will be sorting the numeric and, okay, the alphabetic data. Binary we will see later. Okay, so it is not required now. Hexadecimal also it is not required now. Okay, And so we will be discussing about the outfill statement, right? So what is outfill? Why we are using this? uh, Mostly outfill, okay, is used to split the file. Sorry. Okay, so this is used to split the file. um, yeah, you can separate as well. Separate the data into different files. Okay, so what are the possible syntaxes we have for this outfill statement? Is nothing but one syntax is nothing but outfill ef names equal to dd name, and the next syntax is nothing but outfill outfill files equal to the dd name or file number. Okay, like we can say last two digit of the dd name. Okay, so these are the two possible syntax we can go for this outfill statement. And what about, so what are the uh, joint syntaxes? Okay, like, so we have start rec end rec concept, okay, that I have already recorded. So we have start rec end rec concept. Okay, um, yeah, we can also go for skip rec, mm, stop after. So these are the additional two syntaxes. Start rec end rec means, so what is the starting record and the end of the record. So split by, we will be seeing about this. Include statement, so this is the syntax for the include statement, and this is the data format. And omit is opposite to the include statement. Skip rec, stop after, so we will be seeing, okay, this also in the upcoming lectures, or in the upcoming, yeah, upcoming videos. So if you see this, right, so mostly, okay, we are all familiar with this outfill f names, right? So we have a file, a physical sequential file, which is of 10 bytes in length. Okay, you can create 80 bytes also, that is not a problem, but this is for your explanation. Okay, so what is the syntax? So this is the syntax: sort fields equal to copy. Okay, you should use copy, or else you should go with this. But sort fields equal to copy is a perfect syntax. Okay, so this will work. So if you are, okay, if you are mentioning something like sort fields equal to starting position of the mark is 6 comma 5 comma zone decimal comma a, what will happen? The file will be sorted in this order. Okay, the file will be sorted based on this marks. Okay, so please do not mention the marks here. Okay, because our um, aim is to split the odd number of record in file number 1 and even number of record in file number 2. So if you use this sort logic, so you will get some wrong data. Okay, so we will also try with this. Okay, uh, yeah, do the mistake and learn by the mistake. Okay, so that is also we are just going to try. Yeah, Yes. See what will happen if you are mentioning sort fields equal to 1 comma 4 comma this is character, so I will mention ch comma a. Okay, so what will happen? So this will be sorted based on this, so nothing will happen. So if I'm mentioning like this 1 comma 10, what will happen? Nothing will happen. So always go with sort fields equal to copy, so this will give you a very good output. Do not try with this sort fields equal to starting position length data format logic, so obviously we'll get into an error because our requirement is to split the odd number of data into the odd file, and even number of data is to data into the even file. Okay, so this is a JCL. Okay, so here we coded the priority parameter because priority 15 is the highest priority in the JES2. Okay, in JES3 I think we have 16, but we are using JES2, so use 15. This is 10 minutes. So if you want to execute for only 5 seconds, 10 seconds, like this you can mention. Okay, and as I told you, so this is the DFSORT program. So execute program equal to sort, and the syntax is sort in, sort out also you can mention, but I'm mentioning like out1 and out2 for the TD name of the two files, namely the odd file and the even file. Okay, okay, so since the file is already cataloged, I'm using disk equal to share. So do not mistake me why I'm commenting this, so you know the reason, right? Okay, so let me try with this syntax. Okay, let me submit the job. So successfully executed, we got max is 0. Okay, so check this is out. So you can see the control statements. Okay, and so these are all some sort messages, you can leave it because this is the website you can refer. Okay, in the browser also. Yeah, let me go for that, but I don't know whether it is active or not because this is very um, old website. No, it's not an old website. Let me go with that. Yes, it's working. So see, uh, this is how the IBM is doing the business. Okay, so if you want to refer the DFSAT, okay, they gave everything in the sysout itself. Okay, so you can refer also. Okay, but what I want to say is, so you have to look at the storage used. Okay, from this. Okay, see, in the output one, see, the record length is 10 and the file type is fixed to block, and there is no insert and no delete, and input is 10 and output is 10. Okay, so for the out one, 5 records got deleted, means 5 records got skipped, and 5 only 5 records was written. Similarly, yep. See, for the output one, the input is 10 and we got 5 records as output. Similarly for the output 2. Okay, end of DFSORT. So better you have to go with yes option, and you have to see what are the uh, parameters that we need to look for in the job log. So this is called job log. Okay, so you can type yes in front of your sysout and then you can go for this. So it says when it started. Okay, so actually it is executed within 1 second also. It's not 1 second, it's like 1 millisecond. Okay, so this is our JCL, and you can see that the step is executed successfully. So this is what you should look for. Okay, the condition code you should look for. Okay, and all are perfect. Okay, now we have to see the file. Okay, so let me see the file. Okay, see, as I told you, so we got the odd number of records, correct? Yeah, so similarly we got the even number of records. Okay, so let me try. Okay, so we have to do the mistake, right? So what will happen if we are doing some mistake? So I'm giving sort fields equal to 6 comma 5 comma zone decimal comma 8. So yeah, let's see what is happening. Yeah, so you will get, okay, the lowest mark. Okay, like that. Yeah, lowest mark is the first record. Okay, first to lowest mark, like that. Okay, let me submit this. So it's successfully completed. You go to the even file. See, is 9 is an even number? No, right? So as per our sort condition, this is sorted. Okay, so this is the first, uh, what is it? Yeah, this is the second least mark. Okay, if you come here, so this is the first least mark, and this is the third. Okay, and this is the fifth least mark, and this is the seventh least mark, and this is the, I guess this is 9, I guess. Let me go to the even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, right? So but our aim is to, yeah, you need to uh, okay, split the even number of records in the even file, but you have used, yeah, you have used sort fields, so that is why we got the error. So don't go for sort fields equal to this syntax, always go for copy, or else you can also code like option copy, that will also work. Yeah, option copy also will work. I will mention here. Instead you can go for option copy. Okay, so let me submit. So yeah, so you will get the output correctly, even number of records and odd number of records. Okay, now we will try with the split by. So split by, since we are using 10 records, I will go with even number, that's nothing but 5. Now this is not in the, what is it, even odd logic, so this will equally split the number of records. If you see in the even file, see, the last 5 records, and in the odd file the first 5 records. Okay, so split by, okay, it will return the first 5 records into the first file and last 5 records into the, yeah, the second file. So what will happen if I'm using split by 3? Let's see what will happen. Okay, so first 3 records will be written into the first file, and next will be written in the second file, 6, right? And first again the next 3 will be written into the first file, and 1 record will be written into the even file. Let me try that. Okay, so this split by logic, actually you can go for some, what is that, if you want to read only odd number of records, if you want to read only even number of records, okay, in the file concept I'm saying. So you will get an interview question like, okay, the file contains uh, okay, 10 student roll number starts from 1 to 10. Now you have to read the file in this way. Okay, so read the odd number of records and store into the what is it, uh, odd number array, and read the even number of record and, yeah, load into the even array. So like this you will get some requirement. Okay, so it's not a requirement, it's an interview question. To be frank, I'm saying it's an interview question. Okay, even few of my colleagues, okay, they faced this interview question. So let me try with this. So you want to see the output? Yeah, now see the output. You will be like, see, yeah. So first we will go with the odd number because that's the first file. I told you first 3 records written here, and in the even file, okay, I will open the even file. um yeah, sorry, I will open the even file here itself, or else I'll open in the next screen, not a problem. So yeah, swap the screen. Yeah, press F9. So see, first 3 records written here, okay, and then next 3 records written here, okay, and then next 3 records 7, 8, 9 written here, and the last record is written into the even file. Okay, so this is how it will be written. Okay, so this is all about the JCL outfill concept with, okay, DFSORT utility. So if you like this video, please, okay, give your support, and please watch this video. This will be more useful, and please share to your friends as well. Okay, so they will also learn it. Okay, so thank you.